sonke siyazi ukuthi uKimmich is a very good passer. Again, yenzani Ivory Coast because they were very compact. Angithi they were compact. Bayenzani, they played him as a right back, but what they did was always to give him cover in the middle. Watch what will happen. Guy comes running, baza kuphi, they come inside because they know ukuthi maybe uzofuna ukwenzani ukungena ngaphakathi. This is how Germany iphumile la. You have two guys. This guy is not blocking him from the back, and the other guy now is not blocking him from the back. They allow the ball ukuthi balidlale straight. So if umuntu uza ngapha, then you need to be behind him. Yeah, you need to be behind him. You cannot be sleeping on duty. Bah. Bafethu. Sanibonani, welcome to Couch Coach. Your coach on the couch, the best coach on the couch. Please like, please share, and please subscribe. But the most important thing, please enjoy the film session. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for pressing the play button. Germany 2, Ivory Coast 1. I know some of you get annoyed with screening, but remember guys, if I don't do that, the video will be blocked. Remember, I'm rights with FIFA, right? So now, I'm going to be showing you a few important things that cost the Ivory Coast the game. Yes, I know some of you thinking with the chance that the guy had in the second half cost them the game. Yeah, maybe. Germany had opportunities to score Nabo first half and second half, so the game could have gone both ways, right? Both teams could have won this game, or it could have been a draw. But I'm going to show you what really cost the Ivory Coast the game. Don't forget to like and share and subscribe. But the most important thing, guys, please enjoy and please join, become a member. Now, let's start. Everything that I show you for a reason. You must always remember that. Sharp. Germany has the ball. I just want you to watch. They play the ball in the middle, and then this guy wins, and they press. And what happens is the ball goes to the left. Now the problem they always when Germany, when Ivory Coast were pressing, they would always leave the left back I1, or the left back would go into space. I don't know what happened, why they were doing that, but I just want to show you how compact they were. Then you look at this. This is what we need now as Bafana against the South Korea. Now look how many players are around the player that has the ball. They lose the ball quickly. They do what? They press. That was something they did very well in the first half, but in the second half it cost them. I'll show you. We are still in the first half, right? I'm showing you how Ivory Coast Baba presser, and I'm going to show you their counter attack. Now, Baba Presidila. Now, this guy Kimmich, right? Everyone knows that. Everyone that watches in the Bundesliga or Germany or Bayern Munich, they know that this guy is a midfielder. He's a midfielder, but he was playing as a right back. But he was not playing as a normal right back. He was playing here. Very smart. If Begula is South Africa, just think about Umukwena Dlala right back, Unemtangela adlale right back, Adam adlale right back. Hey, abantu bangashisa stadium. But Germany did this because they wanted to pass the ball kakhulu in the middle, and their defenders, they're not really good passers of the ball. Sonke siyazi ukuthi uKimmich is a very good passer. Again, yenzani Ivory Coast because they were very compact. They were compact. Bayenzani, they win it in the middle. I always say, don't lose the ball in the middle. Now, it's counter attack. Counter attack. Watch what this guy does. He comes in the middle. Where's Valela la? Right? Kimmich is not good. He's agana pace. Right? I'm gonna show you how they scored the goal. Okay. Think actually with how they scored the goal. I'm gonna show you how they scored the goal. La, instead of ukuthi aphumele ngaphandle yena ungena ngaphakathi. Before I show you the goal, let me show you what happened in the 3rd minute. In the 3rd minute, there's always a warning, guys. Think always. In most goals, there's there's a warning before that. Most of the time, kune warning. Now this was the warning, right? Ivory Coast yenzani, they win the ball in the middle. Bayenzani, counter attack. Counter attack. Now, what is this? 1 against 1. Ukimik, remember he's a midfielder, agana pace. So don't come in the middle. Yes, ukahlela right. You're a winger. You are a right-footed winger playing on the left. You don't have to go to Njalo Uze in the middle. You don't have to, because he played near Germany was always they played him as a right back, but what they did was always to give him cover in the middle. Watch what will happen. Guy comes running, baza gupi, they come inside because they know ukuthi maybe uzofuna ukwenzani ukungena ngaphakathi. So he played near Germany vele was ukuthi it's okay, we'll play the right midfielder on the right hand side, but what you guys, the other guys must do, you must close this angle. But this boy is very smart. That's why Liverpool in full. What does he do? He goes on the outside. In this case, what happens? Abeko baningi this side, but yenzani Chemeni iya block high ball. Now let me show you the goal. Nakia, here comes the goal. 1 against 1. Yeah, always a man coming to his right hand side, but this guy wenzani goes to the left, cross, goal. Simple. They plan backfired in a way. It almost cost HMA because Utiamande didn't do this thing a lot. I just wish every time when he hit the ball, just take him here on the outside. Every time. He just didn't do it enough. And the people on the bench, they didn't recognize Uguti. No man, they are lacking on the right hand side. First goal, Lechemen. Remember guys, I'm not showing you everything, I'm just showing you the biggest moments, right? Let me come this side. Now, Lechemen has the ball. Remember what I said earlier on, right? Everything I show you for a reason. Now, they play the ball in the middle. This guy gets to 10 and pass the ball. You can't allow that. In that clip that I showed you, in the first half, the midfielder, every time pass ball, there was pressure on him. There was pressure with Ibola straight or attain. This was totally, this was poor, because this is how Ichemeni Ipumidela. You have two guys. This guy is not blocking him from the back, and the other guy now is not blocking him from the back. They allow the ball straight. Yeah, straight. Now the striker, this guy is the striker. Begala, he drops, Kuban space. The ball lenzani. The ball goes wide. Now the ball goes wide. Now let me take it back. Sorry. Let me take it back. The ball goes wide. The ball goes wide. Now this is a central defense. Havertz is playing as a second strike. This guy, what does he do? He drops. Good defending. Central defender, good defending. But now this guy, Sega Koshiwe Havertz. Watch what happens. Cross, Pagat inside. A lot of things cost them the goal. A lot of things cost them this goal. Let me take it back. I'm gonna show you any mistake foot. Too many mistakes here. Like I always say, if you do a mistake, then you'll concede a goal. This guy, Ukoshiwe Havertz. Now you have the captain, Ukes. You have the captain, Ukes. Let me take it back and show you. What you can see here. He knows good. He knows good. This guy is rushing into the ball. But we are me again. Then you have the right back as well. You defend goal. You defend the goal post. Doesn't matter he's far away. No, you have to defend the closest player in the box. And this guy was the closest player. Instead of you going and helping out, whenever you are still worried about someone on the left hand side. Bafethu. Ngeke siwine World Cup so. Now Elukesi as well. He forgets about this guy. Why do you forget? Now this central defender, angithi bekuye, he went with the striker phakathi nendawo. Angithi. Then Batena he went back. But because this central defender ikhohliwe ngoHavertz, now he needs to move ahambe ayopressa laphaya. Now opening up his space there. A lot of mistakes, but I can't blame this centre back. 1, 2, 3. Yibo abakoste team la. Now the biggest moment that everyone is talking about, angithi counter attack. Upepe wenzani? He does what he does best. Angithi. Now it's 3 against 2 mfanakithi. Guys, what I always say, and those of you abanabantwana, you need to teach your kids the basics. This thing of trapping outside food, it's not good. This thing of trapping outside food, it's not good. You could have taken you could have taken a first time shot. Boom. Could have taken a first time shot. Uguti, why he wanted to trap it? Anama understand. Why did you want to trap the ball? First time, Vanagit. First time shot. Bah. Yeah. First time shot. Trapping on an outside foot. It's not a good thing. Yes. Uzoyenza when you're not under pressure, and then it becomes a habit. Now, when you're under pressure, you do it. Altati bola. On the biggest stage in football. Final clip, bese ngiyayivala, sharp. Now I want you to focus on this guy. This is the guy that came in the second half and scored 2 goals. Now, look ukuthi ukuliphi side. As a defender, you must always defend amapala, angithi, sharp. The ball is that side, the striker is this side, angithi, good, sharp, simnandi. Now, bola liyadlala, ball comes in the middle. Now look where this guy is. The guy uyashifta uza ngapha. The ball is there. We are always defending amapali. So if umuntu uza ngapha, then you need to be behind him. Yeah? You need to be behind him. You cannot be sleeping on duty. Bah. Bafethu. Just like that. This guy usuke ngapha weza ngapha umbonile ukuthi he's on your right hand side. Why do you still stand ngapha? Because the ball lenzani lize phakathi nendawo badlala la. And then what did this guy yenzani? A good first touch, bah, second touch, goal. Yeah, lapse of concentration, it killed there. Yeah, thank you for watching, Bafethu. Unlucky for the African team. But please like, please share, please subscribe, please join, become a member. Thank you for watching. Ngiyabonga.